Hello everyone, welcome to Food Creations by Zubia Imran. Who don't know about sushi? Sushi is most favorite dish internationally. Everybody loves sushi, even me. You can make this Japanese dish in your kitchen with some special ingredients. You need some fruits and vegetables to add in sushi. I have choose red pepper, avocado, cucumbers, lakh fish. This is smoked fish. I bought it from the supermarket. Tuna fish. It's also for sushi making. You need sushi rice and these dry nori leaves. Sushi mat is very important and very essential part of sushi making. So let's get started. We have to collect all these things for sushi making, and now we will start our work. We have to cook sushi rice before, and these three things you cannot replace and you cannot change because it will help to give the form to your sushi, and they will create the proper and professional, the presentation of sushi. If you are trying sushi for the first time at home, then you have to know all the instructions given on the box. Like these rice, they need soaking first, and these all vegetables you have to cut and prepare beforehand. These rice you have to soak, and you can see these are smaller in size as compared to other rice which we are using in our normal routines. I have boiled them, and then I have cutted my smoked lakh fish into strips because I need these small and thin strips for my sushi binding. This is so delicate to handle, so please touch and handle it nicely. You can use any kind of seafood of your choice like crabs and prawns. I have prepared all these things before binding my sushi because this is also very important part. Beforehand you have to be completely prepared. I have cutted all my vegetables into strips forms because it will help to form the sushi properly. I must say this is so healthy food with the combination of vegetables, seafood and rice, and I'm sure you're gonna love that. I want to tell you about something very special. This mat, this is bamboo sticks mat. It can help to make the roll of sushi. So my rice, they are completely boiled and prepared and so steamy and so nice and tender. Now you have to be ready for making roll of sushi because it has to be the process of sticky rice, and your hands must be cleaned or properly washed, and I used gloves here because it's very important, and hygienically it's also proven, and I have started my process. You have to put mat on the table or any kind of comfortable place you can choose for sushi binding. I must say this is most tricky and most creative part of sushi making because it's not easy to bind all the things. You have to learn, you have to practice. You can add colors in form of vegetables or meat or any kind of thing. Like I have added green in form of cucumber, red in form of pepper, tuna fish, and this is the beautiful combination of different colors as well. As you can see, this mat is so helpful to make the roll of the sushi. You can handle your sushi with hands, and this mat can help you a lot. In case if you are not getting this mat from any market or from anywhere, you can use any other thing like cling folio or cling foil. It will help to fold the roll. Create different shapes of sushi rice, and you can create different kind of sushi. Like here I have made this rectangular shape and put it only a piece of fish on that, and it's also looks so yummy and beautiful in your platter of sushi. I always said that creativity is yours. You can create anything from your heart, from your mind. because cooking is an art itself, so you can show your art in your cooking on your dining table to the family and your friends. Sushi is a Japanese food. It's very famous all over the world. Normally, Japanese said that sushi is cheaper than therapy. And they said sushi is a high five for their mouths. So you can create pleasure in any way, in your kitchen, at your home, in your lives, or wherever you want. You need only to practice for some time, but it's really fun to create this beautiful dish. You can make it and you can store it for some days because you can put in the refrigerator and you can eat anytime when you want. So I have rolled some sushi rolls, and now it's the time to cut into pieces. I will let you know how we have cutted it and how we have presented it. You need a sharp knife to cut small bite-sized sushi. You cut all rolls into small pieces, and as you can see on the screen that I have to cut all these rolls. Present your sushi in any kind of tray or platter or directly on the chopping board. It looks more creative and beautiful on your table. As you can see, I have prepared in this way, and believe me, that was heavenly tasty, tremendously nice. I hope you like my recipe of sushi. If you like, then you please subscribe my channel and enjoy this beautiful dish. It looks so beautiful if you will present in a proper way or in a beautiful way. So this creative dish can create magic on your table. So guys, till then, you take care and have a great time with my sushi.